Very respected principal, teachers, parents, my dear friends, and all presented here, a warm good morning to all. I am Adit Nair studying in 7A. Today, 28 February, we celebrate as National Science Day to commemorate the discovery of the Raman effect. The Government of India designated 28 February as National Science Day in 1986. The theme of National Science Day is Integrated Approach in Science and Technology for a Sustainable Future. Let us go to the details of some of the famous Indian scientists that make India proud and cherish. Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was born on 476 AD Pataliputra. He was an Indian mathematician and astronomer of the classical age of Indian mathematics and Indian astronomy. Aryabhatta is the first of the great astronomers of the classical age of India. He flourished in the Gupta era and produced works such as the Aryabhatiya and Arya Siddhanta. Aryabhatta gave the world the digit 0 for which he became immortal. He died on 550 AD Pataliputra. Azaria Prafulla Chandra Ray. Azaria Prafulla Chandra Ray was a well-known Indian scientist and a teacher and one of India's first modern Indian chemical researchers, known as the father of Indian chemistry. He was born on 2nd August 1861. He discovered the stable compound mercurous nitrite in 1896 and established Bengal Chemical and Pharmaceutical Works Limited, India's first pharmaceutical company, in 1901. He died on 16 June 1944, aged 82. Sir C.V. Raman. Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman was born at Tiruchirappalli in southern India on November 7, 1888. He was an Indian physicist known for his work in the field of light scattering. Using a spectrograph that he developed, he and his student K.S. Krishnan discovered that when light traverses a transparent material, the reflected light changes its wavelength and frequency. The Nobel Prize in Physics 1930 was awarded to Sir C.V. Raman for his work on scattering of light and for the discovery of the effect named after him, the Raman effect. He died on 21st November 1970, Bengaluru. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was one of the world's greatest mathematicians. He was born December 22, 1887 in India. He made substantial contributions to analytical theory of numbers and worked on elliptic functions, continued fractions and infinite series. The magic number 1729 was discovered by mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. 1729 is said to be a magic number because it is the sole number which can be expressed as the sums of the cubes of two different sets of numbers. He died on 26 April 1920, Kumbakonam. Vishvesvaraya. Vishvesvaraya, born on 15th September 1860. Sir Moksha Gandam Vishvesvaraya was a notable Indian engineer, scholar, statesman and the Diwan of Mysore during 1912 to 1918. He was a recipient of the Indian Republic's highest honor, the Bharat Ratna. He has the credit of inventing automatic sluice gates and block irrigation system, which are still considered to be marvels in engineering. Each year, his birthday, 15th September, is celebrated as Engineers Day in India. He died on 14th April 1962, aged 101. Satyendranath Bose. Satyendranath Bose, born on January 1, 1894 in Calcutta. S.N. Bose was an Indian physicist specializing in quantum mechanics. Einstein translated Bose's paper Planck's law and hypothesis of light quanta into German. This formed the basis of Bose-Einstein statistics. The government of India awarded him India's second highest civilian award, the Padma Vibhushan, in 1954. He died on February 4, 1974. Jagadish Chandra Bose. Azaria J.C. Bose, born on 30th November 1858. He was a polymath, physicist, biologist, botanist and archaeologist. He pioneered the study of radio and microwave optics. He used semiconductor junctions to detect radio signals. He is the father of open technology. His well-known inventions is the crystallograph, through which he measured plant response to various stimuli and hypothesized that plants can feel pain, understand affection, etc. He is considered the father of Bengali science fiction. He died on 23rd November 1937. Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai was born on 12th August 1919 in Gujarat. He was instrumental in the setting up of Indian Space Research Organization ISRO when he successfully convinced the Indian government of the importance of a space program for a developing nation. He is considered as the father of India's space program. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1966 and the Padma Vibhushan after his death in 1972. Vikram Sarabhai died at the age of 52 due to cardiac arrest in Thiruvananthapuram. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam, born on October 15, 1931, is an Indian scientist who worked as an aerospace engineer with the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) and the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. He also served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. Kalam advocated plans to develop India into a developed nation by 2020 in his book India 2020. He has received several prestigious awards including the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor. Dr. Kalam died on July 27, 2015. Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis. Eminent scientist and statistician Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis was born on 29th June 1893 in Calcutta, West Bengal. He is famous for introducing the statistical measure known as Mahalanobis distance. He was the founder of the Indian Statistical Institute, along with being one of the few members of the first Planning Commission of Independent India. He has huge contributions in large-scale sample survey, designing and study of anthropometry in India. The father of modern statistics in India died on 28th June 1972. Subramanian Chandrasekhar. Subramanian Chandrasekhar, born on 19th October 1910, was an astrophysicist and Indian scientist who was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1983. He received the Nobel Prize for his contribution to the study of physical processes necessary for the structure and evolution of stars. His most famous discovery was that massive stars could collapse under their own gravity to reach infinite densities. These collapsed stars are known as neutron stars or black holes, as we may call them today. He died on 21st August 1995. Raj Reddy. Dabbala Rajagopal Raj Reddy, born on 13th June 1937, is an Indian-American computer scientist and a winner of the Turing Award. He is known to have anchored the development of what we know as the AI system today. His work is related to the development of the large-scale intelligence systems. This has significantly contributed to the growth of AI system that is excessively used these days, like the Google Assistant, Alexa, Siri, and more. On 23rd May 1998, Raj Reddy was killed in a bomb attack. S.S. Abhyankar. Sriram Shankar Abhyankar, 22 July 1930. He is a very famous mathematician. He is known for his outstanding contributions to algebraic geometry. At the time of his death, he held the role of a distinguished professor of mathematics at the Purdue University. In addition to mathematics, he was also a professor of computer science and industrial engineering. Sriram Shankar Abhyankar passed away peacefully in his sleep at his home on 2nd November 2012. Homi J. Baba. Born on October 13, 1909 in Bombay, Homi Jahangir Baba played an important role in quantum theory. He was the first person to become the chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission of India. Baba is generally acknowledged as the father of Indian nuclear power. He died when Air India Flight 100 crashed near Mount Blanc on 24th January 1966. Many possible theories of the crash came up, including a conspiracy theory in which the Central Intelligence Agency CIA was also involved in order to paralyze India's nuclear program. Venkataraman Radhakrishnan Radhakrishnan was born on May 18, 1929 in Thondaripet, a suburb of Chennai. He was an internationally acclaimed astrophysicist and also known for his design and fabrication of ultralight aircraft and sailboats. His observations and theoretical insights helped the community in unraveling many mysteries surrounding pulsars, interstellar clouds, galaxy structures, and various other celestial bodies. He died at the age of 81 in Bangalore. Proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, and thank you for your precious time. Have a nice day.